My country people, okay, well now, Kini Feme hope say una dey alright for this season. Now your girl again Adabeke, and I don't come back as they hot with better tori on wetin happen across the world this past week. You know how to run out for here now. You know waiting to grab and waiting not to grab. Mona Sidamo will enter the tori proper. This next story I want to talk about, make una just pay attention well. If you dey use GoTV, you dey use DSTV, this story na for una. Una see say the Federal Competition and Consumer Protection Commission, they don't carry multi-choice Nigeria go court because they don't increase price anyhow on top subscription. Now they even dey vex say the reason why they carry them go court na say they know they hear word. Abeg una go still subscribe like this because trust me, I know say to subscribe all those things na difficult well. But how we go do now? Make we for the watch film. But if una want to subscribe, make una dey patient. Make the Federal Commission fight this matter. Thank you. And this next story we dey talk about so, another building don't collapse for Lagos State again, and this one na even two-story building. Authorities don dey try see how they want to rescue people where they fit find for inside this incident. Only God know how many times this kind of story don't come outside from Lagos. Who go come save them from this wahala now? Abi make we go find Avatar, master of 4 elements, where they do earth bending. If he help stop this situation, never can tell. This way. Our next story now about trailer wey fall for Anambra State. All these trailer wey even dey waka for road, shey they suppose create another separate road for them, make they move in peace, make they know they bother us. Because tell me why another trailer now go come jam another car, wey collect 4 lives for inside. We fit even get better road safety for this country again. Make una God dey protect us, cause I don't even tire. Hey, this next story, dey funny me. I don't know whether na just me, but anyways, I go talk am. Hey, now imagine say soldier go dey block NEPA office. Why? Because say them disconnect their lights. Now wetin happen for Lagos State or Ikeja for that matter? One Air Force person now dey vex say NEPA don't cut their lights. But make we reason this thing. Why you dey vex if you no pay for NEPA bill? They supposed cut your lights now. When they get out from there, I beg you, weary people. And next we're going to look into the Rivers State political crisis. We just dey what they hear say unknown gunmen, gunmen attack supporters of Governor Fubara for Rivers State. And this wahala, so we don't even know whether politics matter no even the end. But my question now be say, now security we dey fight for, being a better governance we dey fight for. Because since if they attack politicians, say we no can dey safe again now. Wetin una dey think? Now the same thing we dey think, cause I don't tire. Now wow, God now go help us for this country. Okay, my people, and our final story we say, say on top of all this wahala where they go on like this, now Baba Wizzy, he no even tell anybody papa, he don't go drop a new video for that kese. Now the menu and me, I no go complete am for now. He don't drop the video, and this video makes sense. Hey, you don't watch am. If you never watch am, you dey dull. Let me tell you this one, because the video now lit. You know what they call it? Lit. Hey, better hurry up now, make you go watch out so that you go know what they talk about. My people. Now so we see am today. You know what will happen, so don't forget to follow Abuja Tok Tok for correct gist. You understand what I'm saying? Now your favorite girl Adabeke, and I go see you next time with better gist. So you know what you go do for me? You go stay safe, stay informed, and not let anybody use you catch cruise. Bye.
Vibes and Cruise.